I would be fair. Point of order, Senator for Nakuru.
My good friend, Huyu Khalwale, if I didn't know you more, I would have said you've taken that chang'aa from the Kakamega. But I think now I'm on the other side saying,
Senator for Nakuru,
can we take...
what is the standing order that you're anchoring your point of order?
So, can you take this matter very seriously, very, very seriously, because I think what we are talking about is very, very serious. That's what I can only say for now.
Order, Senator Sifuna.
Mr. Speaker, correct me if I'm wrong, but there has been a previous ruling of the chair that in fact there has never existed in the history of our republic a government called or known as the handshake government. In fact, we had a government formed by a party called Jubilee, in which the president was Uhuru Kenyatta and the deputy of the republic, or the deputy president of the republic was William Ruto.